मडगावच्या पोरण्या मार्केटाकडल्या सिडाल्मा कपेलांत रातच्या वेळार परतून चोरी जाल्या. चर्चेतले कॅश बॉक्स तुटला. फातोड्डे पुलिसांन तपास सुरू केला.
पैसे वयले
आणि लोकां लॅचे म्हणल्या न्हू सगळ्यो.
होय, लॅच मोडटात ते, काट कोत्तात ते आनी वतात. लॅच मोडटात.
Whatever was in the pipe, I just removed and gave father. That was about 100 rupees. But the other ones which was put there, which had fallen inside the box, has to be taken because they opened the box, they have removed this thing. This is the second time within a month that we are facing this problem. Here they have cut a lock, no? Like last time, same this thing. And I feel it is the same person because the style of breaking the thing is the same. That's what I've been telling. Last time's thing is not been settled as that because that fellow they brought, the suspect they brought, but he's denying it. So they were suspecting somebody else. Now I do not know what has happened, but I feel it is the same fellow because the style of this thing is the same of cutting. What is that? Police say they come, but what can I? How can I verify that? I don't know. When they come, these robbers or beggars who are there sitting here run in that gully and they hide. The moment police goes, they come back. So that is what is happening here. Now see, there are CCTV cameras in Holy Spirit with Babush, in Medicine World. But what they do when they are going to do something, somehow they turn the camera. I do not know how they can. Because somebody told me they go on the shoulder of each other and they turn the camera. So they are not caught. They put a mask. See, last month that robbery was there. After that, since the robbery was the case is not settled, we did not remove the money. He must have been around 1,500. Then within a month. We were supposed to remove it tomorrow. But today he has this thing taken it.